Here's problem 18. It says give the reference angle for 5 pi over 4. Now, all we're going to do in the reference angle, first thing we have to do is we have to figure out where 5 pi over 4 is located. And then we're going to see how much to get back to the x-axis. You're always trying to return to the x-axis. And we'll explain why in a second. So the reference angle for 5 pi over 4. Again, let's figure out what this is. Now, just think about this. This is 1 1/4 pi. Now we should know we start at 0, there's a half pi, full pi, 1 1/2, and then 2 pi. That's our basic unit circle with a radius of 1. So 1 1/4, well here's pi, here's 1 1/2, so it's right here is where 5 pi over 4 is, 1 1/4. So all we want to know, the reference angle is how many degrees to get back. Well, that's to get back to 1 from 1 1/4, you know that's a 4th pi, better known as pi over 4. So the reference angle here will be pi over 4, 1/4 pi. Now the reason we're doing this is because the reference angle is going to help us. This angle right here tells us that if we move it back to the first quadrant over here, that ordered pair of where pi over 4 is located, its x and y location, will be the same for this guy here. That's where we're going to get into reference angles. If we can figure out how much it is to get back here, from this one quadrant, we'll be able to figure out where all the other points are located in the other quadrants. And that's why it's important. Might not make a lot of sense now, but right now we're just trying to get back to that x-axis so that we can get an idea of where later on its ordered pair is for pi over 4. It'll be the same ordered pair over here. You'll have some plus negatives depending on which quadrant it's in, but again, that's pretty simple. So there we have problem 18. The answer is pi over 4.